Good afternoon, y'all. It's the Nerf for Day, and I'm back for another trade recap. It is July 29, 2026, and I did take a trade today. In today's trade, we only took one trade, but it ended up becoming a loss trade. It was a ATM trade that we did take here today. So the ATM strategy this week, I would say, was not the greatest. There was a 10 a.m. open, but I didn't take that just because we did take the loss on the A.T.M strat. So let's just get straight to it here today. So this is the trade I ended up taking here today. We had our stops at the A.T.M low and our highs take profit at that A.T.M high. I was essentially looking for us to continue pushing forward. The one mistake I did do today was I did not move my stops to break even. I just wanted to let the trade play out, just pretty much do a take profit or stop loss type of trade, regardless of where it goes. And this is pretty much what happened. We got a good push here. I honestly should have went break even at this range, but I didn't. We didn't go break even, just let the trade play out, and we ended up getting stopped out here for a pretty L day. So after this trade, I ended up not taking another trade because it is FMOC. So I was like, yeah, let me just hop off for the day and pretty much call this the only trade that I do take today. This probably is like my quickest trade recap, just because it was just a quick trade that was done. But I will start to get more detailed with these recaps as I do go, but I want to start becoming more consistent in posting these recaps. Anyways, y'all, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another trade recap.